Welcome to our Capstone project presentation, top-down shooter with AI enemies. In this journey, we will explore how to build a dynamic, action-packed shooter game where artificial intelligence drives the tension and thrill. In this project, we are building a top-down shooter that challenges us with real-time combat and AI-driven enemies. We will focus on designing gameplay that tests player reflexes while integrating smart behaviors into our opponents. It's the perfect opportunity for us to practice mechanics like pathfinding, combat logic, and enemy awareness. Our gameplay will feature full 360-degree movement and shooting, making combat fluid and responsive. Enemies will react intelligently, changing behavior based on player proximity and state. We will also implement a health system, level progression, and environments that encourage tactical play. Let's break down how enemy AI will work. They will start by patrolling, but once they detect us, they will chase and attack. Some enemies may retreat when injured, introducing a layer of realism and strategy. This behavioral system is key to making our game feel dynamic and alive. We will employ several AI techniques. Finite state mechanics will help switch enemy states like patrol and attack. Raycasting or vision cones will simulate line of sight detection. For navigation, we will use A-star or nav mesh, and we will even explore group behaviors like flanking. On the technical side, we will use Unity as our primary engine, though Godot is also a great alternative. Our scripting will be done in C# or JavaScript depending on the engine. AI logic, UI, sound effects, everything will come together to create a full gameplay experience. By the end of this project, we will have developed a responsive shooting system, intelligent enemies, and polished user feedback. We will understand how to balance difficulty, optimize performance, and deliver a complete game loop. This project will challenge and elevate our design and programming skills. Looking to go beyond, we can add multiplayer modes, weapon upgrades, and boss fights. Even procedural levels can keep our game fresh and replayable. These features aren't mandatory, but they will take our project to the next level if time permits. At the finish line, we will have a polished, portfolio-ready game that showcases our ability to handle AI, combat, and design challenges. It's not just about coding, it's about crafting an experience that feels fast, fun, and intelligent. Now that we have a plan, let's bring it to life. This is our chance to create something thrilling, smart, and deeply engaging. Let's get started. Every line of code and design choice brings us closer to an incredible game.